Warning, warning, warning. Time for another vintage recipe. Do you like scalloped potatoes? I sure do. But did you know there's something called scalloped cabbage? I didn't, but I do now, and I'm gonna try it. I'm making it in my kitchen. Join me here on Jim's Kitchen. You need a head of cabbage and you gotta shred it. I'm gonna be pouring it into a pot, covering it with water, and boiling it for 5 minutes. Drain it and pour it into a prepared baking dish. Let's make a roux. 6 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of flour. Mix that for a minute. Slowly stir in 2 cups of milk. Allow it to thicken and then start adding a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Now that's a thick roux. Add in some garlic and some black pepper and stir it a little more. Pour that roux on top of that cabbage. Melt 5 tablespoons of butter and a sleeve of crushed Ritz crackers. Sprinkle that on top. And now I just bake this beauty in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes. Scalloped cabbage. Let's have a sample. Well, I love cabbage and I love a roux, so this has gotta be good. It is wonderful. I'm not really noticing the cabbage flavor because all I taste is that cheese and that buttered cracker. And you know what? Those are good flavors. But it works great. What a fun way to use cabbage. And cabbage is pretty good for you. I don't know about all that cheese though. Well, thank you so much for watching me here on Jim's Kitchen. Until next time, have a wonderful day. What do you call a chicken that's just looking at some cabbage? Chicken Caesar salad.